welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing 2, 3. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing 4 ridiculously easy DIYs for your boyfriend, lover, or spouse, or mate, or baby maker, or all that extraness. So I hope you guys are loving my magenta hair because I've washed it 3 or 4 times already. So I hope you guys really do enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like Valentine's Day. But I did end up stealing his phone this morning, and I'm not saying in any world or manner that this is completely okay. But I did take his phone today. I did go to my channel. I did go to my channel on his YouTube profile, and I did press hide notifications or hide all notifications from this channel, or I do not want to know about this channel, whatever it's called. So I did do that to myself on his phone so he doesn't get any of my notifications. And let's get started on Valentine's projects. So the first DIY we're going to be doing is the football themed artwork canvas. My boyfriend is a Pittsburgh Steelers fan, but first I'm going to go around in a circle with washi tape and then go over it with black to create the circle where the Steelers name is going to be, and then I used foam letters to write the word Steelers inside of the circle, and then went over it with black acrylic paint and then gold spray paint. And then now I'm going to be cutting up the crowns into thirds. The easiest way I could think of to get the paper off of the crowns is by scratching it off with the scissors, and then I cut them down into thirds and hot glued them lengthwise, kind of staggering them to the top of the canvas, and then use a blow dryer to blow down or to heat up the crowns to help them melt. I will say, however, that this method is really nice, but the only flaw to this is the control of the airflow and the blow dryer, because you do have colors that will splatter like far away all over the canvas where it's not supposed to. So just make sure you do have really good control over the blow dryer so you can kind of control where you want the color to go.
Just to find out that I need you so far. I wanna pull you closer. I wish we could start the whole thing over. Ever since I left you, I've been trying to get you back, and it keeps getting worse. I'm burning on the inside, and the truth is that.
So now that the crowns have dried, I'm going to be removing the washi tape, and then I did decide that I wanted to do a little bit more with the canvas, and I went back and added gold on top of the yellow crown, and I kind of sprayed it enough and really close to where I still got that dripping effect down the yellow. And then I removed the foam letters after it was all dry. So now this DIY is going to be my boyfriend's favorite snacks. I'm doing chocolate covered pretzels and strawberries. You're going to need pretzels, strawberries, candy melts. I chose red and white, a small bowl, and a pan. Use the pan and put it on top of the stove, and then add water to it. Then add a bowl full of your candy melts into the water pot where it's floating. Be sure you take it out from time to time to stir it around to keep it from overheating and getting really hard, because when chocolate melts, you gotta watch it and make sure the consistency is right. If not, it'll get rocky and nasty and just really gross. And then once you're done, take it over to the stove, put your other candy melt bag in there, and start coating your pretzels. And then be sure you also have a plate with foil on top of it. I forgot to mention this, but yeah. So go ahead and coat your pretzels and put them on top of the foil coated plate. And then once you're done with your primary coating of chocolate, go over and drizzle effect with the red chocolate and stick it in the freezer. And be sure you do the exact same thing with the strawberries, except you dip the strawberries into the white chocolate rather than coating them completely in it. This last DIY that I have for you guys is a cute little simple gift box. So what I did was I do have this football cup because like I said earlier, my boyfriend is a Pittsburgh Steelers fan. I did buy these Reese's Pieces little heart sticks because he does like Reese's, and I also bought Mardi Gras beads, gold and silver themed. I also got this cup from the Dollar Tree. It is a football glass. Literally you can drink out of it because it is a cup and not a vase. And then I decorated it with a little red ribbon, and then I put the Reese's heart-shaped sticks into the cup, placing one higher than the other just for aesthetic reasons. And then I placed some Mardi Gras beads inside of it. I did have to readjust it a couple times just so that way I could get the right heights on it, because the hearts did start falling down towards each other, but in the end it looked really, really cute. Now it's time to make the cute box. It's literally just a Walmart box that I picked up for like 54 cents. And then I got these little foam paper pieces. It is not foam board. Do not get foam board. That stuff is too thick. It is literally foam pieces that you can get at the dollar store. And I used 2 white ones, cut them to the size of the smaller flaps, placed them there, and then put the red ones on the bigger flaps and stuck a beautiful big red bow on one of the flaps, or the front of the box red flap. And then I filled it with a feather boa, added a teddy bear, and then added the Reese's Pieces heart football cup to it to make it all cute. So, did you guys really love this video? I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. If you did, thumbs it up. What part of this video was your favorite video? Don't forget to comment that down below, or what you guys hope that you do get for Valentine's Day but aren't going to tell anybody about because you just want it and you're just going to see if they're going to get it for you. Also, don't forget to subscribe down below if you're brand new to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next Valentine's video. I really love this magenta hair. Love you guys so much, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day, night, evening, whatever day it is, and bye.